We continue to track this breaking news where we're hearing the first witness accounts, Mimi, from folks who were hit hard by that earthquake in Southeast Asia.
The 7.7 magnitude earthquake in Myanmar collapsed buildings and bridges, including a high-rise in Thailand. Take a look at this new video that we're just getting into our newsroom out of Myanmar. It shows a major bridge near Mandalay crumbling into the river during the earthquake. The quake triggered a state of emergency in that country. And in Thailand, this video shows a high-rise under construction just collapsing in that earthquake. Water spilling over the side of another high-rise in Bangkok. One witness described what he saw downtown in the aftermath.
And I could tell people weren't prepared for it because some people weren't properly clothed or wearing footwear. I don't think people brought handbags, phones, and anything like this down. It was just sort of get down from those high-rise buildings as quickly as possible.
At this point, we know 3 people are dead in both Thailand and Myanmar, but that number is expected to rise. Authorities say at least 80 people are believed to be trapped in the rubble of one building in Bangkok alone.